Hello friends, today I will tell you how to download attendance after taking meeting in Microsoft Teams apps. For this, let me go to my phone's screen. Here you will see this icon of Teams app. Here you are seeing icon of Teams app on the top right side. Clicking this, I will take my meeting, but I cannot download attendance from here. For that I have to sign in Teams online. So I will go to Chrome. You can find out where is Chrome in your phone. So I am here. So here I will search Teams sign in. Teams, Microsoft Teams sign in. So here you see this type of icon with 4 boxes, red, green, blue and yellow, which you are seeing on my screen. In this type of address you have to click and you will reach here. For this you have to we have to open desktop site, because phone site पे we cannot download the attendance. So here right side we have 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots and scroll down and you see desktop site, which I had already selected. You can select it. You can select it desktop site. Here I selected. So here you will see sign in option. So you click here sign in. It may be taking some time. So you see this type of page will open. Download the app. Here you will get confused. So don't get confused. On the top in address bar where you see Teams Microsoft.com is written there, in that address bar you click. Don't click here anywhere. You click on the top address bar. After clicking in address bar, I get these options here as I have already logged in. So but I try again Microsoft Teams. I will select this top option. Microsoft Teams E is written here. I click on it. I clicked here. Now let me see what is opening. Again the same thing is opening. Desktop site. Again I click here desktop site. Now this time you see I am in my class. Here you can see the meetings are here in my app. As I am already logged in, so this time they didn't ask me my ID and password. But if you are logging first time, then they will ask you to type your ID and password. After that you will be able to reach here. Here it is, you will find all the options here on the left side corner. If you zoom it, left side inside you will see all the columns: activity, chat, Teams. I think you can see assignment, calendar, calls, files, and yeah, more option. 3 dots are there and other options you will get here, other tabs. So here I see meetings which were conducted by me or by other teachers. So last meeting is mine. Last meeting, let me zoom it out for you. So last meeting is mine, and here I see this arrow. If I click on this arrow, I will get the attendance report. Let me do it for you. download option is here. Download, I click on download. Open meeting attendance, download हो चुका है, and here I see open sign. Then I will get this attendance sheet in my Excel और डाउनलोड में जा कर के आपको मिल सकता है. Here you can see this meeting was attended only by me, Nina, full name, join time, leave time, duration, email, etc. All information is there. This meeting I had conducted on 23/5. So from here you can share. Here we get the icon of share. So attachment, share as attachment. At the bottom it is share as attachment. We can click here. Then workbook form, not PDF, workbook form. One workbook form, we do this, and we can send it anywhere. And if you are not comfortable to send it anywhere, you can send it to your drive. Teams में तो I could not send at proper place when I tried to send, but I send in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp I have my extra folder where I send my all documents which I need later. So I can send it to my own folder, Nina, and I can get it from there to share on Microsoft Teams. From there, how to send, if I want to send it on my Microsoft Teams app class. So I go back. Here I am going back, coming out of all these things, and now I will open my Teams app here. Here I am opening my Teams app, and here I go on my class 7 general because I want to send it here. If I want to send it here, I reach here. Then here it is my meeting, and meeting के बाद reply, I will click on reply. Reply में I will click on plus. Plus में you will see attach option is there. So I will click on attach. Here my phone is opening here, and you can see this green color file, this green color general meeting attendance report. I can select it from here. I have selected it, and it has been sent to my, it is ready to be sent. It is ready to be sent, and you can click here and send it back. Send it to your class group. As I have selected, it will go to my class group. Suppose I am sending it. Let me send it. So now you can see here it has gone to my class 7th group. So it is all. Now I think you can take down attendance going in Chrome and logging in on there. You have to log in one time, then it will ask you whether you want to keep logged in or you don't want. So if you choose yes, then you will not need to log in again. Then if you will go to Chrome, then you will already get Microsoft Teams. I again go to Chrome, and here I get this Microsoft Teams icon and general class. I click here. Already icon is there. It may take you some time or within 2-3 times you will be perfect, and you can do it easily. It is opening, it is taking time. So in the meantime, I tell you two important things. One thing, when you are logging in through Chrome, then you have to choose desktop site must. Otherwise you will not get the option of download. तो ऑन राइट साइड टॉप में जो 3 डॉट्स हैं, यू विल क्लिक हेयर एंड यू विल गेट a desktop site that you must select. And one problem you will face, that all over screen you will get a download app, Microsoft Teams app, and you will not know what to do and where to go. That time you have to click on top address bar. टॉप में जो एड्रेस बार होती है, वेयर वी आर सीइंग नाउ, ऑल्सो वी आर सीइंग टीम्स microsoft.com. So here you have to click, then you will get option there. You can try what options are there and then you will reach to login. ये 2 techniques हैं because of which sometimes we are not able to do this. So you see, this time I didn't need to log in. Directly after clicking on the icon of the Teams app, I am reaching here and I see this. You can see I can see my meeting and download option. Again I can download. Anytime I can download till I am not cancelling the meeting from the app. जब तक मैं वहाँ से नहीं कैंसिल करूँगी तब तक ये मेरा आता रहेगा. आई कैन डाउनलोड इट मैनी टाइम्स. सो I think it is clear. Thanks for watching. You do subscribe my channel, like it, share it if you like. Thank you friends.